What's up, my fellow traders? I hope you're all doing well. So, I have something really exciting for you. So, right here on my charts, what do you see? We have this euro dollar pair. I made some insane profit on this pair, and I've created a strategy where you can trade a major news like non-farm payroll. So I've done this backtesting for this whole year of non-farm payroll on this euro dollar pair, and as you can see, I've got some nice insane results, and I've done this backtesting throughout 2022, and all the non-farm payrolls we had throughout the 2022. I've got some nice insane results. So this is something coming up for you guys in next week or so. I'm going to give you full strategy how to trade this news with the exact candlestick pattern, with the exact entry, stop loss, how and when to enter this trade. So this is something coming for you. Initially, I've decided to put this in my course, but this is something you can trade without looking any technical factors. This is purely based on fundamentals. This is purely based on a news once we have a bearish or bullish forecast, and based on that, we take entries looking at a candlestick formation as well, and I will tell you the exact stops and target. So stay tuned for that. I'll keep you guys updated with the strategy. This is something I'm going to upload hopefully next week. So let's start our analysis with natural gas, gold, crude oil today. So right here, natural gas, we had a good free fall, and as you remember my previous video, and if we break below that, then we have a good major zone below here. So we can also expect a market to push down to this pink zone, which is 7.545, that goes down to 7.306. So we are expecting a good fall from this zone, and since then market is falling down and it break this minor level of support as well. We did not get any sort of entry reason here. Instead, we got this nice bearish candle and market still pushing down, and we got nice and clean chart right here. I've just marked these new zones here. If you want to mark these zones on your charts, it is on Wanda, it is 7.023 goes down to 7.6, sorry, 6.795. So this is your next support zone from where I will look for buying reason. Once we have a hit of this zone, I will look for either as an engulfer or as a double bottom move as usual from out of this zone. Until then, I'm not taking any buying trades. I'm still expecting market to push down either further. And now, if we do not get any entry reason in this zone, then we can expect further push down to the next level. But at the RSI is about to oversold, and I'm expecting a good push out of this zone here. Right here on currency.com, we are now in between this zone. So at this point, if we get a good bullish entry within this zone, I will go for long, or if we get a double bottom entry within this zone, I will still go long. We have a nice and clean chart here. As you can see right here on a daily time frame, we had a nice bearish engulfing pattern, a nice selling entry pattern, which I normally look for, and we got that, and since then the market is pushing down. So now the next, if we have a break close this zone, then we can expect a push down to the next zone, which is 6.508. But this current zone where the market is, this zone is 7.412, that goes down to 7.176, from where I will be looking for a bounce with an entry reason only. Right here on gold, as you can see, gold is pushing down. We did not get any sort of reason to enter, and now I will expect a push down to 1874, from where I will look for buying confirmations to take long trades either as a double bottom as well. So this is the zone where I will be looking for buying opportunities. 1848 goes down to 1830. So this is my buying area, and I will look for buying opportunities out of this zone. Right here on crude oil, if you remember my last video, I've said that we have not broken above, and we got this nice bearish engulfing candle. I was expecting a nice push down from this candle, which we did not get, of course, but we are still in a level of resistance. Market is still resisting this level, and as you can see, we are still not broken above the previous high. So yes, I'm not looking at any sort of shorting at this point unless I get this candle closes at 108.588. This is not what I look for my bearish entry reason. It is indeed a bearish engulfing pattern, but there is something else I look for. the entry pattern. But right now, as you can see, market did give us a nice double top pattern to my end, market push down. So this was a valid double top pattern, not an engulfing pattern. So I would enter this trade if I would have seen this. I was really busy from last 2 days. And now market is approaching the next minor level of support from where I will look for a bounce, and this is 102.21 and goes down to 101.41, from where I will look for engulfers or double bottom entry to go long. If we break below that, then market is gonna hit the next major level of support, which is 97, goes down to 95.74. So that's all for now, guys. If you have any questions, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. Till then, take care.